So this video, I'm really going to do an overview on addition, subtraction, and even word problems. So when you're talking about addition, you want to say that you are going to give from one thing to another to have a new total. So you are going to take two numbers and add them together and get the sum of those two numbers. You could do this with, this is just takes the shape of the paper activity that I'm going to show you. But this is more, so you always want to be very visual of what you are doing. So here we have side 1, side 2 that you are adding. And you definitely want to make sure you put your plus symbol so they know you're adding. Or the subtraction symbol so they know that you are subtracting. Or you could even do this on paper. So again, you just draw it out. That way they can put the small objects inside the circles. So there's subtraction and there's addition. So here what we're going to be adding and subtracting are tomatoes. But you can use any small object that you have in the house. Okay, so we are going to start with adding. So again, we're taking the two numbers, we're putting them together to get a whole new amount, new number. So for example, you have 2 tomatoes and you want to add them with 3 tomatoes to see how many tomatoes we are going to have. Again, this activity you could do inside and outside. You could draw out the circles outside or take the paper outside. So we have 2 plus 3. Maybe they want to just do it straight across where they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or they need that extra added visual. That's perfectly fine. You tell them, okay, let's put them all together to see how many we have. Now we have them in the equal circle. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is again like how the word problem would go. You would say, I had 2 tomatoes and then I got 3 more tomatoes. How many tomatoes do I have all together? You would say 5 when they added them together. Okay, same thing for subtraction. So we're just gonna switch the symbols. You want to really describe what the symbols mean. So that symbol was for addition, this symbol is for subtraction. When you're subtraction, you're taking something away from a group or a number of things. So whatever is left is the difference. So here we have 5 tomatoes. And we want to take away 2 tomatoes. That's just to give the visual. If you want to use a number card for subtraction, I feel like that might be easier. But again, you don't have to do this extra added visual. That's just so they could see, okay, we're doing 5, take away 2. You don't even have to do that step. You say 5. I'm subtracting 2. However many I have left from this plate would be my equal plate. So that's whatever the difference is. So 5, I take away 2, and we now have 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, and that is the same for the word problems. So in the word problems, you can say, I have 2 tomatoes. I got 3 more. How many do I have all together? Have them count to determine and to check. Okay, you can do this while cooking. You could do it while cleaning, while taking your walks outside. Okay, ahora vamos a practicar sumando, sustracción y también cómo hacer las palabras de problemas. So, lo que pueden hacer para practicar sumando, sustracción es hacerlo en casa con los platitos así o también en la forma de papel. La forma de papel en los círculos es donde van a poner sus objetos. So, pueden ser botones o cosas chiquitas y aquí les va a enseñar cuando van a hacer la sumación y van a hacer sustracción. ¿Ok? Si van a hacer los platos así, nomás asegúrense que agarren los símbolos correctos. Esto va a ser de cuando están haciendo adición o sumando. Estos que van a agregar 2 números y van a ver ahora cuánto van a tener. ¿Ok? So, una práctica que voy a hacer va a ser con los tomates. So, si voy a decir, ok, tengo 2 tomates. Voy a agregar 3. Ahora, ¿cuántos tomates tengo? So, eso es lo que va a ser la práctica donde pueden contar así nomás. Pueden decir 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, cuando agregas 3, tienes 5. O los pueden poner todos juntos en el platito y contando y practicando contando. ¿Ok? Cuando están haciendo sustracción, van a decir, ok, vamos a comenzar con 5 y le vamos a quitar, ese es el símbolo de sustracción, le vamos a quitar 2. Ok, ahora ¿cuántos tenemos? Lo que pueden hacer la práctica así para que puedan seguir la secuencia de la actividad. Ok, so van a decir 5, le quitamos 2, nos quedan 3. O lo pueden dejar aquí todo junto. 5, les quitamos 2. Ok, ¿cuánto nos queda? 3. Ok, eso es también lo mismo con los problemas de palabras. Pueden decir, tengo 2 libros, compré un libro, ¿cuánto en total? Y también guiar con contando para determinar la respuesta. Pueden hacerlo cuando están cocinando, cuando están limpiando, cuando están caminando afuera. ¿Ok?